Hi, it's Kozue. Bon Pretty kindly sent me a full set of their poking gel. Thank you so much. Some people call it bubble gel. It's a fun type of gel that reacts when you poke it, so you can make bubbly, bouncy textures. I'll be trying out the white and black shades. The texture has a slight thickness to it, and the colors are incredibly rich. I just cured the purple cat eye gel. They say you need this poking base gel to make the art work, and it's surprisingly thin and smooth. You can cure it for 30 seconds to a minute. The longer you cure, the bouncier the poking gel gets. I went with 30 seconds this time. Trying out the white poking gel. It's not as bouncy as I thought. Making a Halloween ghost today. I scratch the surface once, then remove the gel from the tip of the stick, and scratch again, repeating the process. It's actually quite tricky to make clean dots. It was tricky to make small, clean holes, so I tried using a dotting pen and a cotton wool stick. It took a bit of effort to get it right. They are kind of starting to look like ghost eyes now. I saw some overseas videos on Instagram where the gel bounced super fast, probably fast-forwarded. But mine reacted slowly, so I could take my time. Time to add the top coat and finish it up. The poking gel stays a bit sticky after curing, so it's better to seal it. The quality is not amazing, but hey, it's my first try. I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. Now I'm trying some art on a black base. First, I'm putting on the poking base gel. I'm thinking of brushing the gel diagonally for a bold, stylish look. This technique might work well for ocean-themed nails, especially to mimic the motion of waves. If it bounces too much, just add a little gel with a brush to fix it. Easy. I popped on 2 silver studs, kind of hard to see, and sealed everything with a top coat. Going with a black base again. I feel like this poking gel is great for fan nails, so I'm giving lettering a try. Lettering was tough. I used too much poking gel and it wouldn't stay open. Even when I scratched down to the base, it kept sealing itself. Maybe jumping straight into lettering was a bit ambitious, but I learned a lot. I redid it before curing. Thankfully, that's still possible. This time I went with a thinner, smoother layer. Trying out Korean lettering today, but wow, it's tricky. Tiny letters just don't work well, so I'll go bigger next time. Try again. Let's see how it goes this time. Okay, this is definitely a fail. I wouldn't go to a concert with nails like this. But it's fine, I'm about to make a dramatic comeback. I'm fixing things with a thin brush, just connecting lines and adding details. The gel doesn't spread at all, actually it shrinks in, so it's super easy to adjust. I think the letters are finally coming together. Bit by bit, it's starting to look balanced. This word is Korean, 대박. It's like saying, "Whoa, that's awesome," or "so cool." I'm gonna cure it. Now I'm adding extra art. Loving this plump finish, it's adorable. Just adding the finishing layer. With this design, I'm totally concert ready, perfect for fun events. I'm stamping over a failed toned cat eye gel. This blade is from CanDo. The polish is Maniology. The stamp design didn't stand out as much I hoped. I'm gonna stamp one more time. I'm applying poking base gel now. Did I mention this earlier? You really need to use poking base gel before the poking nail gel, otherwise it won't repel properly. I'm brushing on the poking nail gel in a loose, random motion. No need to be precise here. This was the moment I realized something important. When you apply top coat over the poking base gel, it tends to repel too. See this edge here? It's repelling. So I learned it's really important to cure the top coat quickly, right after applying. For this next nail art, I decided to play around a bit. I applied the poking base gel, cured it, and then drew vertical and horizontal lines using white poking nail gel. Can you guess what I'm going for? I finished it off with a matte top coat. Ta-da! This design was inspired by a muskmelon. In Japan, muskmelons are considered a luxury fruit. Do you have them in your country? Next, I'm creating a design that makes the most of the poking nail gel's perfect texture. I've applied Bon Pretty's cat eye gel twice as a base. Matte top coat on. To make the chrome powder slide off nicely, I wipe with ethanol and lightly rub with a makeup sponge. This time, I don't want the gel to repel, so I'm skipping the poking base gel and just drawing freely. Can you guess what kind of art I'm making? Now I'm rubbing on Bon Pretty's chrome powder. To remove the excess chrome powder, I lightly sweep it off using the clean side of the sponge. I gently apply the top coat, and it's done. Did you guess it? This nail art was inspired by the levitation stone from Castle in the Sky, Laputa. I've applied Born Pretty's new cat eye gel called First Love in 3 layers. Now I'm adding the poking base gel to prep for some puffy art. This time I'm using black poking nail gel to create a Halloween-inspired design. I'm also trying out some lettering again. Just a thin coat of gel. I'm writing each letter with a stick, adding gel as I go, 1 letter at a time. I thought I might need to fix it later, but that actually helped me relax and enjoy the process. The dot under the exclamation mark was a bit tricky, so I decided to refine it later using a detailed brush. After refining the lettering, I added some extra details around it to complete the look. I think it's good enough now. The exclamation mark isn't perfect, but I'm carrying it anyway. I do a quick check to make sure the top coat isn't repelling around the edges. A thicker base coat might help, but I don't have one right now. Coquette Halloween nail. Sweet, spooky, and a little sassy. I really went wild with poking gel this time. I bet there are more cool ways to use it, but I'm stuck. Got any fun ideas? Drop them in the comments. Well, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!